So
Yeah,
Chenchumurali's
I'll
presentation
just
is data
share my
information
screen.
and knowledge integration for effective decision-making in the construction sector, leveraging blockchain technology. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning to one and all. Myself, Murali Krishna. I'm from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Till now, we have seen so many applications of blockchain. And today, I just want to present a skeleton framework how the blockchain can be used in the data information knowledge integration for effective decision making. Let's see the contents. Yeah. Coming to the presentation, just today I'll discuss about the basic view of how the blockchain features has been integrated at each phases of decision make information knowledge integration, and these are my contents. Coming to the integration, generally the success of project depends on so many factors. One of the critical factor is effective decision making. For the informed and timely decision making, it requires seamless integration of data, information, and knowledge. One technology that has the promising implications of integration is blockchain. Let's see how it is there in the next slides. Before going to understand the integration part, we just need to understand what is the data information knowledge. I just want to give a basic definitions of each and everything. Data information knowledge are integrated components that plays a vital role in decision making. And generally, data refers to the raw facts, that is nothing but unprocessed data, which is used for generating after processing and organizing. And the knowledge is nothing but the highest level of understanding of application of information. And all these elements together in the construction industry provide a holistic view of project enabling the better decision making. Just want to give like simple thing is to the data. If we give add a context, it becomes information, and information it providing a understanding, it gives a knowledge. And next, we already know what is meant by blockchain. No need to explain about blockchain definition and the blockchain features. So I'm just skipping this part. And next, let's see how. Now we'll see that at each phase of transition of data to information, information to knowledge, and knowledge to decision making, what are the key features that has been applicable or useful of blockchain? I'll explain each and everything in detail in the next slide. Let's see. From the data to information, the blockchain helps in the data integrity. That is nothing but its immutability ensures data remains unaltered, build trust, and a dependable foundation for making information. And next one is it provides the transparency through stakeholders configuration, gives the stakeholders confidence in data source and authenticity, and it provides the traceability with help of audit trails in vital for understanding data lineage, context, ensuring precise information. Next one is to provide the security measures uh, through blockchain's strong cryptography, secure data integrity against unauthorized access and manipulation. These are the features that I can provide it from the data to information. And next, we'll see from information to knowledge. It provides a secure contextualization. That is nothing but it enables a precise knowledge creation by providing a secure environment for unanswered data interpretation. And next one is collaboration. Blockchain fosters dynamic collaboration among stakeholders, ensuring enriching the knowledge creation process with diverse insight. And the next one is automation. Through smart contracts in the blockchain, streamline information analysis, validation, notification, and transforming data into actionable knowledge. Next one is audit trials. Blockchain's transparent ledger establish an enduring testament to transparency and accountability in the knowledge creation journey. This is how it helps in the from the phase of information to knowledge. Next, we see from knowledge to decision making. It provides historical archives. That is, by its meticulous recording keeping creates a valuable historical repository for fighting informed decision making and consensus validation. A blockchain ensures shared knowledge is collectively validated, enriching credibility and reliability. And automated decision make execution. Through smart contracts, automate decisions, reducing errors and boosting operations efficiency. And it provides the data-driven decisions. Like through blockchain provides unwavering data reliability, empowering data-driven decision making with the precise and trust insights. This is how at each phase it has been helpful. Let's see in the decision making process from the data collection to data implementation, how the blockchain abstract layers are integrated. Here we can see that at each phase of decision, from the data collection to the data integration, data preparation, decision making, and decision implementation, each layer how it is going to help. We'll see one by one. In the phase of decision collection and data collection and processing, during this phase, we need to use of so many technologies and techniques, and we need to collaborate with the so many stakeholders for the base of data collection to have diverse data acquisition. And this the application layer acts as the interface, and the network layer acts as a communication and connective phase, where this phase all the external systems, applications, and devices interact with the blockchain at the application layer, and the network layer helps in ensure secure and reliable data sharing. And next, during data integration is nothing but bringing all together data and to have comprehensive. For this thing, we need to understand the data, and it need to be consistent use. So the data model layer and the network layer helps in the organizing and structuring the data collected, and for the data distribution, which help for understanding and using consistently. And for data preparation for decision making, in this phase, first we need to ensure that whatever the data we have been collected or data integrated, it need to be clear, and it is quality has to be assured, and it is standardization and the format, everything has to be assured for making analysis purpose. So the consensus layer helps in agreement. It ensures that all the participants in the network agreed on the validity of the data and the transactions of the data and the state of the data. And in during the decision making process, where we select the best opinion of the best fit of the goals. So for this thing, the execution layer, for example, smart contracts, it will automatically perform the predefined tasks, ensuring that all the data is collected and transactions are executed without human interactions, which helpful for the best for decision making. And final one is decision implementation, putting the decision into an action. Like after deciding the what you have to do with the decision, we need to implement it. For this thing, it requires so many stakeholders' participation and their interaction also. The conscious layer helps this perfect execution and the further success of the project. Let's see one example how these things have been implemented in the real field. See, considering this case of highway alignment selection explained by the switches, first step is we need to identify the stakeholders involved at this phase. Like the stakeholders such as site engineers, project managers, government executives are identified and are designated as a nodes within the blockchain network. And next one is data collection for route alignment. The raw data such as the topographical data, land survey, map survey, safety considerations, geotechnical and traffic patterns and environmental data is collected at the application layer of the blockchain, which help for the interface and the interaction of so many technologies and other apps and things in the application layer of blockchain. And next phase is the data integration. As I told you, like it requires automate data processing and data collection process also. And this layer, smart contract layer network, helps in the data layer of blockchain. It helps for the data integration. And next, from the information to the knowledge, like whatever the information such as the position of central and horizontal vertical elements, projection of the traffic loads is contextualized within the secure blockchain ecosystem for knowledge decision making. And considering the final list, decision making from the knowledge to decision, that is the first optimal or first fit of the alignment is determined based on the historical data accessed within the blockchain facilitated by the consensus mechanism and executed through the smart contracts. This is the simple example where this blockchain layers has been helpful in the decision making of any construction phase or project. I just want to conclude it. This one is just a skeleton framework, which is how the blockchain can be used at the transition of data to information, information to knowledge. So by leveraging blockchain, the construction sector can enhance the collaboration, improve data accessibility, mitigate disputes, and ensure quality assurance. The blockchain adds another data layer to the big data analytics. That is, which is a big thing that is happening, and the data-driven decisions. While there are challenges to need to be overcome, for the potential benefits of blockchain in the construction are significant, paving the way for a more efficient and transparent industry. Um, I hope I have given a overview of how the blockchain can be used at each phase of the transition. Thank you for providing me an opportunity to present a thing that I want to express. Thank you. I hope I'll be there for the discussion panel. Thank you, one and all.